Okay guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show how all the wiring works for this. So I could show you if you want to do this yourself or if you're in a trailer or something. So first we have the front arm. There's an outlet right there, so it goes right through the window into there. It goes all the way down. And then there's this, which holds everything there, and then there's this orange cord. You can see it, and it goes all the way down this tree, down into there, across this, this all the way through the yard. There's kind of 2 points here because there's kind of bunches up here because it's pretty long cord. It all comes in here, and this is a power strip. No, that's actually the fog machine. Here's the power strip. This is where all everything's plugged in. So that's just cord, and have this green cord here that runs to the blow molds, some blow molds, and the jumping stuff, which should probably be off. Or not. Boo! Yeah, so that's really it. It's actually pretty simple. And another example of the cord coming out is because the cord comes out and then it goes all the way over here and up into this guy. And before I can kind of show you all the tombstones so you can actually get an idea of. See what I mean by kind of good set. There's that tombstone, that this one says like trick or treat or something. These are all from Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 each. You can see them a lot better in person. And I did fix the fog machine, so I'll show you that right now once I get it out of my pocket. If I can get it, I have it in a bag right now because I'm planning on leaving it out overnight and where these things go. You don't see it at all, really surprisingly. So, I mean, you can kind of tell there's fog there. That was actually the best run yet until I figure out how to make a better cooler. But yeah, it cooks, does pretty good.